Hello guys and welcome to Login Aid. So today in this video we will learn how to redeem Fashion Nova gift card online. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, then do not forget to like and subscribe the channel to stay updated. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a preferred web browser and on the search tab type www.fashionnova.com and enter. You will be redirected to the official Fashion Nova website. Now here, click on this profile like icon and you'll get to see this sign up and sign in button right here. So if you do not have any account yet, then click on this sign up account and you can create one by going through the process. So to log in, click on sign in button. Enter your email address associated with your account and click on continue button. Now enter your password as well. After you provide your password, click on login button. Now we are logged into our Fashion Nova. Now here you can see at the top, there are many categories. You can choose any of them, product you want to purchase, choose according to your preference. Once you get the product, click on quick add and choose the size that is suitable for you. Now once you choose the size, for the checkout process, click on this checkout button right here. Now here, you can see the payment methods. For shipping, you will need to provide your shipping address, but to use the gift card, you'll get to see this enter gift card option at the top right. So enter the gift card number here that are located at the back of your physical gift card. So after you provide the gift card number, click on this arrow right here. After you click on this arrow, your gift card will be applied. So the balance on the gift card will be deducted from your total. So this is how you can redeem your Fashion Nova gift card online. So this is the wrap up for this video guys. I really hope that the video was helpful for you all. See you in the next video and thank you for watching.